Alright, this is a video for graphing inequalities. Right here. Can't really see it that well. But anyway, first off, you have to look at your two different equations, inequality equations. Right here you have your equations. You have y is less than 2x minus 5, and then the other one is y is greater than or equal to half of x plus 2. So, first of all, when you're dealing with inequalities, at first when you're graphing them, you just pay attention. You don't pay attention to the greater or less than signs. You just take it like if it was a linear equation. So you ignore those signs for now. First of all, you look at the y-intercept, and for the first one, the y-intercept is -5. Right here, -5. So you plot -5. Yeah. So you plot -5, and then you have to follow the slope, which is 2x, which means that it goes up by 2 and across by 1. So you keep on doing that, and you get your line something like this. So once you have your line like that, you connect all your points, and then you look at what your symbol is. Is it less than or greater than 2, or is it equal to, greater than 2, or something like that? If your symbol is like this, or the less is the greater than sign, you have to keep spaces between your lines like these. And then you have to keep spaces between your lines like these. And then after you do that, you choose any point on the graph that's not on your line to see which way your lines are shading to on your line. So I would, for this line, I would put the point 0, 0, and I'll plug in that coordinate into my equation, or my inequality, and see if it makes it true or not. I put in 0, 0, and it didn't make it true, so I'm not shading to this side. I'm shading to this side, because this will make it true. So I shaded to this side. This is how you got through with your first line. Then your second line is y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 2. For this line, you follow the same procedures and whatnot, and your line keeps on going like that. Your line looks like this, sound like this, and since it has the greater than or equal to sign, your line, all the points of your lines are connected. It's all connected, see? And so you use the same method. You look for a coordinate on the graph, but it's not on your line, on this line. So I chose 0, 0 again because it's not on the line. It's not a point on the line. So you plug this coordinate into your graph. You plug it into your equation, well, your inequality, which is y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 2. You plug that in and see if it makes the inequality false or true. 0, 0 made the inequality false. So I'm not shading to this side. I'm shading to this side. And that's how I graphed my inequalities and got my lines like this. But on the regions, they're going to ask you to show your work. So just show your work like this or something like that. And then on the regions, they always ask like which point best fits the solution. And the solution is the part where both of the lines intersect, and like the point where where the coordinate makes both of the lines true. Well, the inequality is positive. Well, the inequality is true. My fault. Anyway, so if this line continued, it would be somewhere in like this sector right here, this area. You see how they cross right here, so this little spot would be like a solution set. So you could just go up. I'm going to 7, and I say 7, 6. So I went 7 across, and then 6 up. So a coordinate that could be a solution set would be 7, 6, and that would be a solution set. So you could put point that fits the solution set is 7, 6, and that would be a part of your answer, and that will be the solution set, and you're guaranteed to get like 4 points on this, which is full credit for this part. And yeah, good luck.